Hello everyone, how to totes back with another app review video, and in this video I'm going to introduce app. It's called HOLLA Live Random Video Chat. So basically this is social networking, like random video call and meet people, experience fan video chat on HOLLA. You will find here a stranger like other countries people. You can talk with them on video call. So you can see the rating of the 4.3 out of 5 and 442k reviews. It's a huge and 93 megabyte size of the application, and 10 million plus people already download this app. If you check here, there is some screenshot like make friends, so you can make friends, chat without language barrier, so translation is available here. If you don't know any specific language, then you can use the translation and say whatever in one video call. So it's like a personal text message or direct video chat, so you can call directly, discover and like. So if you feel bored and lonely, then I think this app will be perfect place for you. And here is some like feature, like which feature is available here. You can read here. The app is released 2016, and if you want to check some ratings and reviews, then what people actually think about this app, you can check here. You will get some positive review here, 5 star, and there are also some negative reviews. So it's really helpful. You can use, just install from Google Play Store and App Store and then start using. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.